PhD Success Framework, 10 Essential Stages. Are you a PhD scholar? Do you feel lost between writing papers, finishing your thesis, and getting ready for submission? This video is for you. I'm going to share the proven 10-stage process successful researchers follow, from area of interest to pre-submission. And remember, Anushram.com is the leader, guiding hundreds of students to publish Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 SCI and Scopus indexed papers and helping them complete their thesis with confidence. Stage 1. Identify area of interest and problem statement. Start by choosing your area of interest. Then refine it into a clear problem statement. Ask, who is affected? What gap exists? What needs improvement? This gives direction and focus. Stage 2. Review of literature and gap identification. Conduct a review of literature. Map what is already known, what is debated, and what is missing. Summarize it into a gap map, 3 to 5 points that highlight exactly where your research will contribute. Stage 3. Title and keywords finalization. Draft a working title that reflects the problem, context, and method. Lock in 5 to 7 keywords that match your domain. This improves both focus and journal discoverability. Stage 4. Synopsis proposal, the foundation. Now write your synopsis. Define your objectives, research questions or hypotheses, scope, methodology, and expected contribution. At Anushram, we help you create a sharp, defense-ready proposal. Stage 5. First paper, conceptual or review. Your first paper should be a systematic review or a conceptual model paper. This establishes your credibility, highlights the research gap, and proves your direction. Stage 6. Paper layout framework, Imran. Every paper should follow a clear structure. Introduction. Literature review. Research gap. Methodology framework. Results or analysis. Discussion. Conclusion and future work. This Imran-based framework is globally accepted and increases your chances of Scopus SCI acceptance. Stage 7. Peer review and feedback. Submit your paper to conferences or journals. Treat review feedback as free expert consultation. Revise, improve, and refine. With Anushram's mentoring, you'll learn how to respond to reviewers effectively. Stage 8. Papers for each objective. For every objective or hypothesis, write a separate paper. This builds a portfolio of publications and at the same time creates ready-made chapters for your thesis. Stage 9. Hypothesis testing and Scopus SCI orientation. As your data collection begins, publish empirical papers testing 1 or 2 hypotheses with SPSS, AMOS, SEM, or Python R. To meet Scopus SCI standards, ensure novel problem framing, rigorous methodology, transparent data analysis, strong implications. At Anushram, we align your work with these benchmarks so your papers are globally recognized. Stage 10. Thesis integration and pre-submission. Now compile everything into your thesis. Expand your published papers into full chapters. Introduction. Literature review. Methodology. Results and analysis. Discussion. Conclusion and future scope. Before submission, clear plagiarism checks, follow formatting guidelines, and integrate supervisor feedback. At Anushram, we provide full pre-submission audits so you're 100% ready. And this is the outcome. You don't just submit a bulky thesis. You graduate with Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 SCI and Scopus papers, citations, and confidence. You defend with authority and step into your career with global credibility. Here's the roadmap once again. Area of interest, review and gap, title and keywords, synopsis, first paper, paper framework, peer review, objective papers, hypothesis papers, Scopus SCI, thesis integration and pre-submission. If you want expert guidance at every stage, join anushram.com today. Don't just do research. Do impactful research with Anushram. DM or contact us at 9643802216. Visit our website www.anushram.com.